On a warm January afternoon in 1919, Boston's North End heard what sounded like machine gun fire. It was the rivets of a giant steel tank tearing loose. Seconds later, 2.3 million gallons of molasses came down in a wave 25 feet high, moving 35 miles an hour. The tank had leaked from the day it was built. Rather than repair it, the company painted it brown to hide the seepage. It was never properly tested. Filled near the brim on a mild day, the steel finally gave way. The wave flattened buildings, wrecked a fire station, and buckled the girders of the elevated railway. 21 people died and about 150 were injured, some buried for days in molasses that thickened as it cooled. In one of the first class action lawsuits in Massachusetts, the company blamed anarchists, but the court found the real culprit was the tank itself. The disaster forced engineers to sign and seal their plans, a safeguard still with us today. Boston scrubbed the streets for weeks, yet for years after, locals swore the North End still smelled of molasses. This was the Great Molasses Flood of 1919.